Welcome to Lesson 7 of Introduction to Data Management course. This lesson covers data privacy capability. After this lesson, you will be able to understand how to protect sensitive information from disclosure to unauthorized users, as well as people, process and technology aspects of data privacy capability. Let's start with definition of data privacy. Data privacy, also called data protection or data security, refers to the process, policies and technology to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and use, internally and externally.
Some examples of sensitive information include social security number, ethnicity, date of birth, credit card number and sales plan.
At this point, it is important to distinguish data governance from data privacy. Data governance is about the rules, how to build the content. On the other hand, data privacy is about the rules, how to protect and use the content. Now, let's discuss information sensitivity in more details.
Non-sensitive information is classified in two broad categories: public information and routine business information. Public information refers to information that is already a matter of public record or knowledge, for example, sex offender registry files and voter registration. On the other hand, routine business information refers to business information that is not subject to special protection and may be routinely shared with anyone inside or outside of the business. Sensitive information is classified in three broad categories: personal and private information, confidential business information, and classified information. Personal and private information refers to information belonging to a private individual, but the individual may share with others for personal or business reasons, for example, social security number. Confidential business information refers to information whose disclosure may impact the business, for example, sales and marketing plans. Classified information generally refers to information that is subject to special security classification regulations imposed by many national governments.
From the process perspective, data privacy process consists of four major activities, as follows. 1. Define data protection policy. 2. Provide technology support. 3. Implement data protection policy. 4. Monitor and control data protection policy enforcement.
The first activity includes identification of data privacy requirements and definition of guidelines for data privacy implementation. The second activity includes implementation of appropriate technology tools to support data protection policy implementation. The third activity includes implementation of data protection policy and appropriate training to the staff. Finally, the last activity ensures that standards defined in data protection policy are enforced across the organization.
In reference to course objectives, this slide covers process aspect of data privacy capability.
Data Privacy Officer is the key role responsible to implement data protection policies. Although this role is specific to data privacy, Data Privacy Officer will closely work with all other data management roles. Key responsibilities include: 1. Develop and implement data protection policy. 2. Provide information and guidance on the processing of all personal data. 3. Produce best practice guidance material for staff. 4. Deliver training to staff. And 5. Process, coordinate and respond to all requests for information.
In reference to course objectives, this slide covers people aspect of data privacy capability. As you can assume from the definition, technology plays key role in data privacy. Here are the technology components, which are important for data privacy capability implementation. Email protection includes filter incoming messages, filter out, and delete spam automatically, scan attachments, and also encrypt business-to-business communications for enhanced security. Antivirus. For employees that has access to internet, you'll need to have an antivirus program running on all network computers. Hardware firewall system. You can increase security of all network computers by installing a hardware firewall. Wi-Fi encryption. If you have a Wi-Fi network set up in your business office, make sure it is an encrypted network that only employees with a passcode can access. Cloud data storage system. Saving documents and working with documents using a secure cloud data tool can make it easier for multiple users to access documents and files using a mobile device or from a remote location. Secured network access. Protecting your organization's intranet is just as important as protecting your servers from web-based attacks. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers technology aspect of data privacy capability. Finally, it's time for key takeaways for data privacy capability. Data privacy, also called data protection or data security, refers to the process, policies and technology to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and use, internally and externally. Non-sensitive information refers to public information and routine business information. Sensitive information refers to personal and private information, confidential business information and classified information. Technology components required to support data privacy are email protection, antivirus protection, hardware firewall, cloud storage system and network security access. Key role in data privacy is Data Privacy Officer. That's all for Lesson 7, and data privacy capability. Now, take some fun and complete the quiz to check your knowledge. The next lesson is about data architecture capability.